Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. You already know it's that time of year, the season of love. So in honor of Valentine's Day, I decided to do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. This year for Valentine's Day, I wanted to go for a dark pink look. So stay tuned so you can see how I achieved this eye makeup look. There are no sponsors for this video. Subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel right now so that you never miss any more video tutorials. Without further ado, let's get into the video. As per usual, I did my eyebrows off camera. First, I will be using a little bit of this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer to prime my eyelids. Today's eyeshadow palette of choice is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. For my transition shade, I'm using the eyeshadow named Burnt Orange. I'm applying this transition color mostly on my crease and above my crease. I want this transition color to appear a little bit darker so I can actually see the orange color, so I'm adding more product. I want this transition color to be even across my eyelids, so I'm just blending it in. So the next eyeshadow that I will be using from this eyeshadow palette is called Love Letter. So we, my friends, are going to use Love Letter and apply that all over our eyeshadow crease. Since this is a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, of course I had to incorporate an eyeshadow called Love Letter. Like, how could I pass that up? What? Yeah, I had to make that happen. The eyeshadow Love Letter is definitely pigmented, so I started off with a little bit of product and then I blended it out. I'm really liking this shade Love Letter, so I'm going to put it in my crease and above my crease. Now I'm just blending out any harsh lines that I may see. To make my crease appear a little bit more red, I'm going to blend in the eyeshadow Red Ochre. So the dark colors on this eyeshadow palette are very pigmented, so I would definitely start off with a little bit of product and then build it up to your likings. Now in the middle of my crease, I'm going to use a more precise brush to apply this eyeshadow color named Cypress Umber. This color is very dark and pigmented, so I only want a little bit of this brown to pop on my eyeshadow look. Using too much of a dark eyeshadow could overpower this look, and I didn't want that, so I basically started off with a little bit and it was just fine. Like they say, a little bit goes a long way with makeup, trust me. Using more of Red Ochre, we're going to blend out this brown color together in the crease. The eyeshadows in this palette blend very well together. I'm really loving this color that I've created. And and just continue to blend that bad boy until you like the result. Now it's time to cut the crease. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. To cut the crease, you can use any concealer of your choice and just apply it only on your eyelids. Definitely take your time while doing this part because the purpose of concealer is usually to clean up. So you definitely don't want to accidentally conceal an area on your eyelid that you actually meant to keep for this look. Once I'm done applying the concealer to cut my eyeshadow crease, I'm applying the eyeshadow Primavera all over my eyelid. Every time I cut the crease, I take my time. I either start from the bottom and work my way up, or I'll carve it. You just never know. I might do one way today and then I might do a different way tomorrow, you know. Just cut the crease however you feel comfortable and safe with. Besides, the worst that can happen is just starting over, you know. This is a learning process, so if you need to start over, you're basically practicing, and every time you practice, you get better. So, and then with practice, you realize, okay, this is how I could have done it differently. So the next time you do it, you're even better at it because you've learned, you've grown from whatever you did the previous time, and you found a new way that works better for you. So definitely, if you have to start over, that's okay. Start over because the next time will be better. The first color that I'm going to use to blend out my outer V on my eyelid area is burnt orange, since I used that color first. The second color that I'm going to use to blend out my outer V on my eyelid is Love Letter. Thirdly, I'm going to use Cypress Umber to blend out my outer V area on my eyelid. And finally, I'm going to blend in Red Ochre on the outer V area on my eyelid. On the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit, I'm going to use the highlighter called Summer to highlight beneath my eyebrows. We are almost done with our eyes, so now we need to apply eyeliner. I don't know what song had me hype like this, but this is too funny. Excuse me while I have a moment. And for my Harry Potter fans, that move was just for you. Okay, focus. So anyways, now we're going to apply eyeliner. When I eyeline my eyes, sometimes I use tape to help make my line more precise. To make this look pop a little bit, I had to add a little shimmer in my life, so I'm adding gold glitter all over my eyelid. I wanted my eyeliner to appear more black, so I'm adding this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner to make my eyes look more bold. Now from my awesome store, I'm applying my eyelashes called Slate Boss. If you would like to get this beautiful pair of eyelashes for yourself or a friend, definitely visit www.slatesecrets.com/shop to buy your pair today. Since it is winter and my face does tend to get a little bit dry when I apply makeup, I'm going to also add this Tarte brand Maracuja oil all over my face as a primer, as well as my normal foundation primer. Bruh. That definitely just happened. Also, during the winter, I do use a damp beauty blender to apply my foundation instead of a brush. Using a damp beauty blender to apply foundation also helps retain moisture on your skin. Since I didn't use color corrector on my skin, I'm using this IT Cosmetics concealer, which is also a color corrector. Now I am proceeding to highlight and contour my face using common drugstore products. For more specific details on how I highlight and contour my face, definitely watch my highlight and contour tutorial. To set my face, I'm using this Laura Mercier setting powder. So since I want this eye look to appear a little bit bold, I am going to eyeline my waterline with black eyeliner and then also add mascara to my lower lash line. Now that I am done highlighting and contouring my face, I'm going to apply Love Letter on my lower eyelash line. So since I am going for a dark red rose look, I'm going to now add red ochre to my bottom lash line. Alright, we're going to add blush to our cheeks. Back on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dip Glow Kit, I'm going to use the highlighter bronze to highlight the high points of my face. And finally, to complete this look, we are going to ombre our lips by lining it with a dark plum color and adding a pinkish, plumish lipstick. Now applying setting spray to set our makeup. And finally adding mascara to our lower eyelash line. And this is the final look. I really love the results of this look, and I will definitely be recreating this look anytime I want to look glamorous, flousy. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. Comment down below if you have any questions. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you dig it. Okay? Thumbs up your girl over here. And subscribe to my channel so that you can see more beautiful makeup tutorials like so. Alright my loves, I will see you in the next video. Bye!